Dans WhatsApp Haitian, nous n'aimons pas de politique, de manger, entertainment, mais nous avons une pire aimé, c'est l'homme haïtien font qui est positif. Nous saluons Pic Lisa comme qui prend une bonne initiative pour faire un networking, échanger business haïtien, business étranger, qui ça nous fait, ça nous produit.
Et c'est important aussi parce que ici c'est who you know, comme nous connaissons.
On regarde plus de détails.
Good evening and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our first networking event, Friends of Haiti.
We are at the very first networking event for Friends of Haiti in Kendall. I'm here with Avante Marketing, Daniello. Now, Daniello, Francois Adrian, together you guys formulated this event. You guys were responsible for putting this all together. How did that happen?
We believe that companies can be successful in business, but at the same time give back and be responsible citizens.
Up on the stage when people were giving the opening speeches, one of the things that impressed me the most was there was a kind of a feeling like that the joint effort between the Latin community and the Haitian community, because there are some thoughts that sometimes when you give money to charity, where does that money go?
It was very important to partner with the right type of organizations, and we know that Francois at piclease.com is very active in the community and has been so for decades. And so we also know that DJ at HAERC has also been very active and has a proven record of delivering goods to Haiti and making sure that the people that are in need get those goods. And that was very important for us to partner with the right kinds of people that can help us get results.
We're in Kendall at the Friends of Haiti event with DJ Fabian from the organization called Haitian American Emergency Relief Committee. Now, this event here at Friends of Haiti is to basically let people know more about your organization. What would you like to let people know about your organization?
Well, we're a nonprofit organization. We've started in 2008, and we've been helping Haiti throughout the hurricanes and recently the earthquake. And we take donations and we take them directly to the people in Haiti, and we have the distribution. We are able to distribute on the ground and get the goods to the people who need it the most in case of in emergency times.
Looking ahead to the future of Haiti, because everybody knows about the past, we've all seen the photographs, we've all seen the videos. What is your hope for the future of Haiti?
Well, we hope that Haiti develops themselves through the infrastructure that they needed, so that when there is an emergency, they have the infrastructure on the ground to help themselves.
What we've been doing tonight is to join the Hispanic community and the Haitian community. I'm talking about entrepreneurs, business owners, to have a chance to go ahead and meet and to learn more about the Hispanic community, and for the Hispanic community to know more about the Haitian community.
What do you think the future holds with the Hispanic community helping the Haitian community, especially in Dade County, the diaspora?
Well, I think that we started with, I think that we have around 30, 40 people here today.
A lot of different businesses, a lot of different business owners.
Exactly. The choice was really targeted because it wasn't an event where you come and mingle and have fun. It was a business event.
Right.
So we targeted the businessmen, the business owners, and to give both community, as I said before, an opportunity to go ahead and know more about what we Haitians do and what the Hispanic community does also in their community.